what we will be doing today is the cookie challenge.
Cookie pan yai top challenge it name. Right, Rihanna? You have to answer me.
See cookie them here?
Yeah, I'm here, yeah.
I don't know where the challenge name.
We just tell you. You just make up your
Cookie
name.
on your eye, get
No.
it into your mouth. Challenge.
Cookie pan yai top to mouth.
So
Challenge.
basically, don't listen to them. What we're gonna do, I just show you what the challenge all about. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just take the cookie and put it on our eye. And Rihanna said we must try if we move it and get it in our mouth.
Any eye? Left or right? No matter.
Any eye, it just
Any
needs
eye.
to eat the 2 cookie them.
Okay.
If the cookie drop off of your face, you disqualify. You have to try again.
You have to start over.
Try again, start over. So it's not that thief in Judah, I'm telling you from now. Not if it dead here, so when it drop off, when you pick it up, you put it back there, so you have to start all over.
Pan your
Come on,
eye.
you'll be like, but mama, right, I said the deck. So, guys, we'll make him go first.
And
Go.
the winner gets to pick where we go for our next trip.
Right.
Right. Woo! Putting some.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna go. I'm telling you where we're gonna go. We done with already? I'm telling you.
Listen to me now.
Come on, mama.
Rock, paper, scissors.
paper, scissors. Shoot. A shoot? Shoot. A shoot. Sorry.
Sure. Come on, now.
No, I used to play them something speaking in a break.
You're lying. Come.
And then YouTube something make
There's a quick note. My sister came on. When I told her that I was over here, she asked me if my bladder alright. Because just and everybody know what that means. Alright.
Wait.
Continue.
You sure if you say Kimon name? My me can upload the video now.
I am not a part of this.
Let's go.
Anyway, guys.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes.
Shoot.
And you haven't met them when they had rock, paper, scissors.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa!
What?
Do not. No. Rock, paper, scissors. And you don't have to actually because it's just rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So,
Right.
why
So
you
shoot.
feel like you want to get something and shoot me, of all person?
You're not dead? You're dead?
You're supposed to let it go so while a bullet come out there and you don't know what would happen. Remember, so some things are going on in this world, you know.
Well, you just dead.
Rock,
Rock, paper.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Love you, sis. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Cover, Junior.
wait, no,
Win.
I miss.
Come on.
So you go first.
You
so
go first,
win.
no.
And you forgot first. Alright, the
you
two of
go
them can
first.
at the same time, you know.
So,
Everybody. So cookie on your eyes, everybody.
So
What?
so it stick. What happened on the board?
Jesus Christ.
No, she go first. What the hell we do rock, paper, scissors, shoot for all of them?
Alright. Come on, sis.
You guys see me somebody?
Yeah, man. Where is it?
This is so weird.
I think, you know, see, I think the two of them did the same time.
You see who win?
Yeah. The two of them, so.
Ready?
Support that.
So we're
So
going to
guys-
take out the whole rock, paper, scissors part of that.
No. Rihanna said she changed the rules in the middle of the ball game. So the two of them did one time. After she make me rock, papers. What? Rock,
Don't take that.
slipper,
Oh,
rock,
slippers.
scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You know
What's
where
the
you know where that.
What's the
That's
buzzer
one
doing
day.
now?
Pillars.
No.
That, yeah. She changed it. So the both of us gonna do it simultaneously. Simul big word. Not going like man can say scissors and answer slippers. Not going like man a fool.
Yeah.
Simultaneous.
Yeah, man.
Say that, no? Say that.
Simultaneously.
Say red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, red leather, yellow leather.
Alright. Let's go.
Cookie and eyes, guys. On your marks.
Oh, sorry. Wait, what's that?
On your marks. Get set. Go. Come on, Kayan.
Hindi ako more.
Come Take your time. Take your time, guys. Put in the face work. Come
Somebody
on.
actually did this and got the cookie in them out.
Yup.
Let me hear you, Virgin.
Mama, no.
Yup.
I know why. I know why is a man.
Come on. Yes, Junior. Junior with the technique.
Shit. Almost.
Yo, what try different eye?
Come on, guys. Junior with the technique. Getting it there. Fail. Come on, Kaya.
Wait, that one I now move.
Come on, guys. You can.
God damn, almost, man.
Come on. Yes, can.
Why?
Take your time, Junior.
I don't
Yeah,
think I
have
really
it
like
there.
this.
Yeah, have it.
Ah!
Come on. Come on, you can do it. Why me think Junior that go in?
Listen, my nose not really too well. My nose I push a cookie. I know why I cookie this now.
Yes, Junior. Have it that there. Control it. Lose.
What kind of thing?
Jesus. Come on, Junior. Come on, Kayan. Come on, Kayan, do the technique. Using those eyelashes, but
This shit is hard.
No!
Oh, I'm trying
Yeah, this is nasty.
so close, but he lost it. Come on, Kayan. The ball is in your court. Try to get it down. Come on, Junior. Next cookie, Junior. Yes. Come on, Junior. Kayan, put on your hand.
Thank you, Harry.
Kayan, put on your hand. Yes, Kayan, you're so close. Relax those jaw muscles. Come on,
Guys, she pitch over. Not even she do challenge and she pitch over.
Come on, guys.
So when I fix around.
You can do it. Kayan, what is going on there? Kayan, hurry up with that. Hurry up. Junior's going to win it. Junior, have it. Oh, Junior is the lucky winner.
We got to go.
Kayan is a loser.
Go buy one. Oh, guys, good.
So Junior gets to pick where we go next on our adventure, and he will keep you posted. Anyways, congratulations, Junior. Okay, and you're a sore loser. Bye.
No, I'm not really upset over him. But, guys, that was just a quick one. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video. So, see you next time. I'm out.